Part 11 of the crochet butterfly top. We're almost done. In the previous video, I said make sure you have 3 left. This is why. You're going to skip the first one and make 1 double crochet in that second spot. This is where we change it up. You're going to slip stitch in the second double crochet, slip stitch in the third double crochet, and then slip stitch into the 4th double crochet. Chain 3 and insert 1 double crochet in that same spot. Without making any chains, you're going to insert 2 double crochets in that first double crochet right there. And then you're all done. Snip the yarn. Go back to part 1 and finish the other side of the butterfly.